Oh, hello, and welcome to Hands-On Camera Tips. I've got 5 tips today, and they're gonna make you a way better photographer. This is a camera called the Instax Mini, and it's a really good camera. You can get it in all different colors. We like the pink color best because it really matches my outfits. This camera is really cool. You just open it, and then there's a little light over here that shows you that it turned on. When I take a picture, it just makes a sound. It's just like boom. And then the film comes out from here, and then you take it out. So let's get started on the first tip. Find the perfect lighting. The perfect lighting has light and dark. Like half of it is light and half of it is dark. If it's too bright out, maybe your backyard has a lot of trees, and you can find the perfect lighting. It's dark in the shade, but it's really bright in the sun. So that's why I say do it half sun and half dark. Number 2, focus on what you're going to take a picture of. I love taking pictures of flowers because they're beautiful, because I love nature. If you don't focus, you might get a bad picture. Because when you're focusing, it'll make it look nice. I just feel it in my gut. It's a good picture when you focus. Number 3 is really important. Do not drop your camera. It'll break and your parents will not buy you another one. I've never dropped my camera. Some of my family members have though. Mommy and my sister Olivia. My camera is very strong. It didn't break the 2 times my sister and my mom dropped it. I never dropped it once because it also has a wristband that comes with it so that it won't drop. Let's move on to number 4. Let it develop in the sun, because if it doesn't, there will be a big glare in it. The film is white right when it comes out, and then it has to develop in the sun, and then it looks like a nice, good picture. Look at these 2 differences of my dog. There's one that has a big glare, and there's one that doesn't have a big glare. I let this one develop in the sun, while I didn't let this one develop in the sun. I just put it right into a dark bag. So let it develop in the sun. Let's move on to number 5. If what you're taking a picture of, if it's longer, make the camera horizontal. Horizontal means it's sideways. So if you're taking a picture and it's a landscape, a sunset, a car, or a big flower. Maybe there's a flower that just goes like this. Or maybe a house. Take it horizontal. This is how I normally take it. But if it's bigger, do it like this. Instead of up and down, it's sideways. Let's move on to our bonus tip. To have fun. It's important to have fun because it'd be just boring if you weren't having fun. Everybody takes different pictures, and that's what's fun about it. I have a lot of fun when I take pictures. Yeah, I'm always getting better, and I'm always learning. So I hope that you have fun taking pictures on your camera too. And be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell. I hope these tips make you a better photographer. They work a lot for me. I'd love to hear what you guys do with your camera. What do you like to take pictures of? You can follow us on Instagram. So join in next time on another episode of Hands-On Camera Tips with Esme. Bye.